Oh my gosh. Howdy! Welcome to the 4th video of lighting up fireworks. I'm sorry guys, you missed the Pyro Predator. I'm sorry about that guys. Those were loud. Guys, that was like loud. You should have heard that, man. I should have got it on tape. Because I was trying to erase some stuff on there. I'm like hurrying up, like typing on my phone. Like dang, I missed the last one. So the Pyro Predator, I'll show you where the Pyro Predator's at. Right here. That's the loud suckers. Please, you know Predator from the movie, don't you guys? Yeah. So guys, there's some fireworks going on from over there. Where'd they go? Darn it! I just got started. Come on, fireworks. Show you some of the camera. There you go. Higher than that, I can't see you. And guys, I got some thunder snappers. You know, those loud little poppers. Oh, got it. I got it right there. There it is, man. I just got it. I still have my flashlight on. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, I didn't throw it hard enough. Where'd it go? There it is. Dang it. Okay, I gotta throw it a little harder. A little harder. Oh, gotta watch out. There we go. Yeah. So if you throw it like this, like how I just did, it won't pop. So you gotta throw it harder, like I am. There you go. Oh, I got it. Jeez. Okay, I'm gonna keep no fooling around with the thunder snappers. I'm gonna keep an eye on the sky. Oh, yeah. Here we go. This is good stuff. Good stuff. Right behind me. Good stuff right here. Good stuff. This is good stuff. This is good stuff. So God, this is Light Up Fireworks Part 4. Oh, forgot my name. Okay, AC/DC, 27, Brian Johnson, and Angus Young here. And fireworks, let's enjoy it. And we still got bottle rockets, too. Okay, I'm gonna keep filming the sky. Keep filming the sky now. Oh, where'd it go? Over here or something? Alright. Keep filming the sky. Girl just gets it. Show some fireworks, here we go. Oh yeah, you'll hear that all night, guys. Here comes the thunder. Snappers. Well, you can call them whatever you want. Thunder snappers or thunder snaps. That's what they're usually called. But I want to call them thunder snappers because they're just fun to call it this way. Here you go. If you can see it right there. Here we go. Okay, watch my hand. Boom. Go. Oh yeah. Oh yes. If you can hear that on film, guys, you can definitely hear that on film. Happy 4th of July. Oh! Did I get it? Darn it. Oh, there's one. Okay, gotta keep a lookout. Oh, heard one, but I didn't see one. Thunder snappers. Oh, see that smoke? Oh! you wonder why I'm making that, fireworks, cause I like the noise of fireworks. That's why. This is my big one. Throw it up in the air. Wow. Watching the sky, everybody. Okay, throw this one. Ah! So I gotta throw it harder. Where'd it go? Where'd it land? Which one? Wait, no, that's not it. That's not it. Where's the one that just threw? Dang it. Where is it? Well, it's okay. I can get another one. Oh, yeah, I just got that one. Yeah. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Keep on going. Oh, 2 cars. Okay, I'm gonna stand right here until that firework comes back. Okay, some kid just gave me a weird look. Oh yeah, there we go. Some good stuff. Some good stuff. One time that car came by, that kid went, I'm like, what's your problem? It's 4th of July. I'm filming the fireworks. Yeah, some kid, just teenage kid gave me a weird look. Oh, got it. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, he was like this, giving me that weird look. Yeah, so he's a. Oh yeah, here we go. This is like a show right now. It's like we're making a series. Look at all this, people. Look at all of this. Okay, what I was saying about that one kid. One time, that teenage kid drove by. He just gave me that weird look, like. And just like that. I'm looking, I'm like, I'm filming the fireworks. Don't give me that look ever again. Oh, got it. Yeah, so that's all. This teenage kid just gave me a weird, dirty look. Because he thinks I'm crazy. I'm filming the fireworks. Duh. So probably teenage kids need to fuck off someday. Giving me dirty looks. Oh, gosh. Look at all this. Ah, that car just drove by on. I'm gonna keep filming this. This is good stuff. So guys, if you did not catch that on film, where that mean kid gave me that dirty look, I don't know if I caught it on film or not, where that teenage kid gave me that dirty look at me like I'm crazy or something. Still going over there? Oh, here we go.
Hey, is it loud around your neighborhood as it is ours? We just finished doing our fireworks.
Oh yeah, look at all this. Filming though.
Got some really good pictures of
Oh! OMG! Oh yeah, I'm getting close to it. I'm getting close to it. Yeah, I'm getting close to it, man. Oh yeah! Yes! Yeah, I know this is private property, but I just want to get close to that firework. This is private property. I'm standing on right now. I just want to see the firework. Close version. Man. Alright, you see that? Boom! Alright guys, to be continued. To be continued. I'm enjoying it. I hope you caught that on film where that kid gave me that dirty look. I hope I caught that on film. Alright. Happy AC/DC 4th of July. Producer Bertuak! Here you go!